All right, we're on Gator Bowl Boulevard, and they finally opened up the approach ramp onto the Hart Bridge Expressway for the Hart Bridge project that we designed. I just came down it on the Hart Bridge, and now I'm going to go back up to the Hart Bridge on this. This is a project that I partially designed. And now I'm getting to drive on pavement with curb lines and maintenance of traffic designs that I was a part of developing. These barrier walls were developed by my co-workers, and we're connecting to a bridge that was built in the 1960s. It's finally opening. Yes. Oh. As we come down the bottom, you can see what all our hard work was for, because now there's a direct connection from the Hart Bridge down to the Jaguars Stadium. Soon you'll be able to go straight through this area, but for the time being, we have a temporary traffic control plan that takes us around to what will be another leg of this intersection. For now, you'll just take the left at this location. Months of hard work of engineering and even more months of hard work of construction. I was a part of the engineering team and watched the construction from the first day when they were demolishing the old viaduct that used to be here. So it's pretty exciting to finally get the chance to drive down that connection from the bridge to the ground.